Hey you gorgeous, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shubhangi dubey and welcoming you really in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching me and supporting me a lot. So I have recreated this look from the movie Bharat. This is Katrina Kaif's look. So she is really gorgeous and anyone can't beat her in the race of beauty. But I have recreated her look from that movie called Bharat. So if you want to know that how I achieved this look, this makeup look and also this hair, so without wasting a time, let's straight jump into the video. As in that look, she is having curly hair. So basically I don't have curly hair, but I'm trying hard to get that curl hair. So that's why I've done these all things. And if you want to know that how I curl my hair, then please let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I will love to do that, how to do a heatless curly hair. Well, as you can see, I'm moisturizing my face, plum mattifying moisturizer, and this moisturizer is awesome. It smoothes our skin very well and also fills the pores because it is matte moisturizer. So for now, I'm taking my Superstay foundation and mixing it with Kiss Beauty, I think so, Kiss Beauty Illuminate, because Katrina is having such a lightly glowy skin, so I also want to achieve that skin. So that's why I've mixed illuminator with my foundation and dabbing it all over my face. For concealer, I'm using my NYX Professional Concealer and highlighting my all over highest points of my face, T-zone area as well as my under eyes, and yeah, I'm highlighting as well. So barely Katrina is having contouring, but to give a structure to face, I'm gonna contour with the Wet n Wild contour stick. This is a cream contouring stick and it gives a very subtle color to my skin tone because it is not too dark or too light for me. So yeah, I'm contouring my nose, my cheekbones as well as my forehead. As you can see well that I have blended all my contouring. So right now my face is having a little bit of a shadow, and now I'm gonna highlight that contouring to give a sharp contour. So I'm gonna highlight my T-zone area as well to give a pop of highlight to my face. So right now you can see well that my face is too much glowy. It is having lots and lots of glow. To hide that extra glow and to set my concealer, I am using Fit Me Loose Powder from Maybelline. It is Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. In the shade, I will link it in my description box. So for your convenience, I will link all my products in my description box. So do check out my description box if you want to buy that product. So yeah, for eyebrows, as always, I'm using Sivana Colors because Sivana Colors eyebrow pomade is really awesome product, and it is too cheap as well. You can get it from Flipkart because Flipkart is having always a very good offer. So in this look, Katrina is having very much smoky type of eye makeup. So to build that smokiness to my eyes, I am using Bella Voste Kajal liner. I am using this kajal to my lower lash line as my upper eyelids. So after that, after applying this kajal, I will smudge it out. So don't worry. Afterwards, you are going to smudge it out. So there is no need of perfection in this kajal look. So yeah, with the while brush, I am smudging my kajal to build a smokiness to my eyes. So to my subscribers, I am having one news. Because I am about to achieve my 200 subscribers, so I am thinking for a giveaway. Yes, makeup giveaway. I will be giving makeup to my subscribers as well as my Instagram followers. सो मैं एक गिव अवे करने वाली हूँ क्योंकि मैं 200 सब्सक्राइबर्स तक पहुँचने वाली हूँ. इसलिए मैंने सोचा है कि जो मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं और जो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स हैं, उनमें से किसी भी 2 लकी विनर्स को मैं गिव अवे दूँगी. तो मेरे गिव अवे में मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स रहेंगे. तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लड़कियां मुझे फॉलो कर सकती हैं और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं अगर उस गिव अवे में आपको पार्टिसिपेट करना है तो. गिव अवे के कुछ नियम कानून होंगे जो कि मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में बताऊंगी. तो अगर मेरे 200 सब्सक्राइबर्स तक आप मुझे पहुंचाना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, लाइक करें और मेरे चैनल को आगे बढ़ाएं. थैंक यू. In this look, Katrina is having crease color, so I am taking my Huda Beauty palette and I am gonna take these 2 shades from that palette and I am gonna mix it, and also I am going to put that color to my crease area and blending. So I am blending it all over my crease area to give a pop of hint of color, not a pop of, but hint of color to my crease area, and so that it will look so awesome. So as you can see, it defines my crease and my eye look will be complete after this color. So for now, I think my eye look looks very good type of, but I'm gonna complete it with my mascara, and I am using Maybelline mascara. Oh my god, this mascara is buy, just buy, you guys. Please buy it because this mascara is awesome, and I really don't prefer waterproof mascara because I don't want to make my lashes out of my eyes. So I want to be to my eyelids, so that's why I'm using washable mascara because I more like washables as compared to that waterproof. So yeah. So now my eye look is completed and I'm gonna pinky my cheeks. So I'll give so subtle pink, baby pink color to my cheeks, as Katrina is not having much blush over her face, but I do like to wear blush, so anyways it is not going to be show enough, so that's why I'm blushing it out. And for highlighting, she's having not much highlighter, that's why I'm not putting much, because as you all know that I love highlighters and I am Rani of highlighter, but today I haven't put much. So for lipstick I'm using NYB lipstick in the shade pink, I think so, and to neutralize that pink shade I used Miss Claire Chubby Stick nude color. And now see what is happening. I am angling my curls, so my curls are coming out, and these curls are really awesome. And really, if you want to know that how I achieved these curls, so please ask me in the comment section below, and definitely I would love to do a tutorial on these curls. And you guys, this is a heatless curling, and if you don't have heat curlers to your home, because it is much expensive if you are buying a good one heat curler, so without heat curler also you can achieve like these curls, and these curls are really good. I'm loving it so much. See my face and see how this happens. And after that, this is my final look. So Katrina is having side partition to her hair, so I have also done that to achieve like by her look. So for that I'm using pink saree, and I put on a black bindi to my forehead, and this is my final look. And if you like this video, if you love this look, then please let me know in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel, and meet you next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.